Have you ever just looked at a painting and you can tell there's some really cool texture in it? Well, of late I've been playing with textures and it just goes so well with abstract type paintings. And whether you're doing something that is like this, which is a work in progress for me still, but it's an abstract desertscape. And it can be, if you're working with something like this, or if it's totally non-representational, texture just really brings out something in abstract art. And let me tell you how I use it. And this one here, for me, it was just begging for some texture. And I like to connect it to my stories about the actual painting. So in this one, since I'm working through it still, but if you can hear, like, as I run my hand over that part, you can hear the difference than the smooth painting. And all down here, I just felt it was begging me to add some desert sand, because let's face it, this is a desertscape. And what I'm trying to capture here is this incredible mood that I don't even have words for to describe in here. And so in the end, all of this cool sand is gonna come together to tell a really unique story and set the mood in this painting. And when we create something that is original like this, we want to take advantage of everything that we can to really drive in that fact that there's something special about this painting, and bringing in a unique texture like sand from the actual desert is gonna really enhance that. And so when you are particularly doing this for yourself or even custom paintings, just think about how unique a texture like this is going to add to the painting, to the point so much that you're going to want to go up and go, oh, that is so cool. I just want to run my hand across. And it's that constant reminder of where you were at that time. That I was hiking, and that's where we grabbed it from. But so for me to hang this, if I was to hang this in my home, it's a constant reminder to me about that's where I was. I know exactly where I was. I know the mood, and I can just, run my hands across it anytime and take me right back to that place. So my question to you is, do you use textures like this in your story? And if not, what can you do to bring it in and enhance your stories to make your paintings more of an experience for yourself or your clients? Leave me a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on that.